Let's go. It's your boy Credit K back with another video. Help you guys level up financially, get to this money on, get to these 700 credit scores. You know how we do on this channel. Anything crypto related, credit related, business credit related. We about that. Credit K channel. All right, it's your boy KJ. We back with another one. You see the title, you see the thumbnail. No long talk, no long intros here. Get right to it. We got another great credit builder for the low credit, for your new credit profiles. You know what I mean? You got your new profile, you got it set up, you need some trade lines, you need to get that credit score on there. These big banks are not messing with you. A lot of these credit cards are not messing with you. I got two that I'm going to bring you today that do no credit check, that are working with guys with new profiles and get you a credit score within a week or two, sometimes sooner. You know the deal. What we talking about? This one called super.com. Super.com. That's it. Super.com. Super.com is a new credit builder. Gives you a $5,000 line of credit added to your report. All you have to pay is $1. Yep, $1. What's the catch? Well, the catch is the $1 for the first month, first 30 days. But then after that, it's only $15 a month. But where else you going to get a $5,000 trade line reported for only $15 a month? Most of these trade line companies are going to charge you at least $150, $200. You do the math. They keep it on for 3 months. $15 at 3 months. $45 versus $150, $200. I'd rather rock with Super. As you see, some of the benefits of having them never miss a payment, because as long as you're paying them that $50 a month, $15 a month, they're going to report, so you don't have to worry about missing any payments, anything like that. And if you don't want to give them the $15 a month, you just call and cancel them. 90-day satisfaction guarantee, cancel at any time, cancel anytime, cancel at any time. What else? You're going to get a trade line. They're going to report for $5,000. All you got to pay is $1 for the first month just to try them out. If you're really savvy, you might not only need it for 30 days. But I definitely keep it at least for 3 months. That's what I recommend for any credit builder trade line. And then this is how it looks when you logged in. You can make some referral money. You got some cash back offers, some other offers on flights, things of that nature. Gonna have a credit card coming soon. Pretty sure it's gonna be a secured credit card. With that, you put the money up front and put it on the back end. Come on. There we go. Yeah, secured card. That's how most of these credit builder companies work, man. They jumping off the secured cards because most people who need these have lower credit, and they're not going to give you a high credit limit if they know you already got bad credit or no credit at all. So that's the first one. That is super.com. Just like that, super.com. And here is another credit builder account. Good for everybody, for everyone with low credit scores, new credit profile numbers, and all that. What we're talking about, Ryze. Now, the reason I brought this one second is because this one is a really brand new company. They are looking to onboard as many as they can right now. So if you go here, you click booster, everything says coming soon. So they're, working out their logistics, working out where they're going to be doing the most banking, working with their partner make sure they're compliant with everything right now. They were aborting some people last month, but looks like they're holding off right now, probably because a couple of YouTubers probably got a hold of it, and they're having an increase in sign up. But they do have a way to contact them, so that's what I done, and see if I can get a call back or email back and see if I can get signed up a little sooner. But I do want to put this on your radar, because when they do start back allowing registrations, I want you to be the first one to get off the waiting list. All right. So that's the credit builders. Those are 2 credit builders that I want to bring you guys today. Of course, there are probably hundreds of credit builders at this point. A lot of them are green with new credit profiles. A lot of them are not. I do believe it depends on how often these companies get sign-ups and how flooded they get. The infrastructure is not able to handle tens of thousands of sign-ups all at once. So sometimes they pause and act like they're not accepting people, or they often change up the requirements to get onboarded. And just for sticking around towards the end of this video, I want to bring you guys a 3rd credit builder account, one that reports within 48 hours. I know that I've used this one many a times for many clients and myself. It's called Gauss Money. You have to download the app to get this one rolling. Make sure you got a valid phone number, because you need a valid phone number to validate who you are. But once you do that, you will have a credit score on TransUnion within 24 to 48 hours. Real simple. And then every month you pay, that continues to pay towards a 2,400 limit installment loan. So it actually reports as an installment. So a little bit different than revolving like your credit card. This gives you a good mix. But the downside, it only reports on TransUnion, which I believe, no, this one reports to all 3. And the other 2 report to all 3. But guys, it's real slick. I think it's only like $8.99 a month. It's not free. It's not free, but for $8.99, you can't beat it. If you're not investing in yourself, you're not willing to invest at least $10 to boost your credit or help your credit situation, you're really not serious about this game at all. All right, man. It's your boy Credit K, aka KJ Blackman. Follow me on all socials, on all platforms: TikTok, YouTube, Instagram, Facebook. I'm everywhere. And we go.